Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to week 3. We're in the third module and we're moving on to cells right now. And I've been grading your work. It's looking really good. The molecules, the glucose molecules were really awesome, you guys. There were some super imaginative ones. I enjoyed looking at those. That was great. And I think we've ironed out the problems with some of you had with McGraw-Hill and logging on to Connect. So I think we're excellent there. Week 3 usually is kind of, we hit our stride. So you just finished Chasing Ice also, which is I find amazing film about the glaciers. And I was looking at the quizzes and they look really good. So that was a good activity. I hope you enjoyed that film because it really is striking, I find. And we're moving on to cells, and let me know if I can help. Just email me or come to an office hour. My office hour is shared by Anatomy that I teach and 11A. So if you find that we're just doing Anatomy, just interrupt and say you have a question or you'd like to talk to me. Okay, guys, hang in there. Keep at it. We're doing really well.